top.
How?
By taking a drink. Alright, we're here at the factory store outlet over here in Kissimmee. Let me show you my fit. Here, hold the camera so I can show my fit. Check it out. Got a white shirt, camouflage shorts. Look at this short little latte shoes. We got the Me Plus 4 wristband. If you guys want a wristband, just leave a comment. I'll send you guys one. The Air Max 270s. Pink.
Yeah.
The regular 160, you saying 129. All black. Still 160. It's not even on sale. But those are. Come on, guys. Come on. Oh yeah, I remember those. Yeah, those are nice. Those are also 160 only. Yeah. This is the shoe rack over here. Have 40% off. An additional 40% off. Did you see these? Oh. Yeah, I know. I agree. The black women's Air Max 90s for 130 with additional 40% off. It would be like $90 more or less. We got women's Nike Dunks here for 130. Look at the high ones, $99 just on sale. Oh, and we got the Blazers. Mid 77s. It's on sale. They're $69.99. They got them all white. 105. So that one's 69. That's weird. We got the regular Blazers, $79.99. Women's Air Jordans. Like these are nice. That's a nice color.
They're kind of cute.
The cement. Pretty cool. 109. You gotta rock these. Yeah, I know they're ugly. I know. I'm just kidding, man. It does. It looks weird. Yeah, it should be like for 40 bucks.
Come and buy these.
Yeah. You got the Air Max 1s here. Let's see. Regular 100, $64.99. This is actually nice, but my daughter doesn't like it.
I don't.
She doesn't. Got some Jumpman 2 trays. I like the color. I just don't like the strap on that one. Look at these.
They look kind of cool.
It's like this one without the strap. Yeah.
The front is cute, but the side is kind of weird.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Nike Air Max 1s. I like these with the feather. Nice. It's Air Max 150. Not much for my size. I'm 8.5. This is an 8. Air Jordan 2 Retros. I actually like these Nike Air Max Correlate. It's a nice color. Well, with the yellow bubble. That's actually nice. It's actually 79 bucks. Additional 40% off. Release $47. Look at these Air Jordan highs. That's a nice color. Silver Nike swoosh. That's nice. It's Air Jordan. Air Flight Light mids here on sale. We got the panties here. I like this right here. Bound looks nice. That's 190. This is 190 here. We also look for 149. That's because of the color. This looks nice though. These Air Max. These are nice. $95 to $69. You have the Air Max systems here. I'm not too crazy about the shoes, but it's on sale, $59. You got these Air Max 90s, still regular price. Black one's 130, white one's still 130. Even these here, 130. Got the Jordan joggers for additional 20% off. Got a standard fit blue one right here, Flight. Got this black one, $79 with 20% off. This was $100 with additional 40% off. I actually matched my shoes. Look at that.
No, I said mine are better.
All right, look at the shoes that we're buying. I'm buying these for myself. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And then this is what my daughter's getting. Which ones are better, hers or mine's? I'm gonna say mine. Hey, look at that Me Plus 4 wristband. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It glows in the dark.
It glows in the dark.
Look at the view. Look at the view.
We made it. Let's get lit. Let's get lit. Go start dancing. Hey. Wait. Hey.
We made it to Disney Springs. You got everybody back there coming? Everybody's coming? You don't want a beignet?
No, those are nasty.
What?
I don't like them. They're
She only wants ice cream. She don't want a beignet. Oh, really? What kid doesn't like a beignet? Am I saying it right? I don't know. Am I saying it right? Beignet?
Yeah.
Yeah, beignet. That's it. Disney Springs is packed tonight for a Sunday. We're gonna take the bus over to Port Orleans so we can get some beignets. So hungry for some dessert. Here we go. We're going to the buses. Where? Who is? Ah, they just left. Where's Port Orleans? It is number. Where's number is it? Oh, two, Chino, two. If you come to the buses, number 2 is Port Orleans. Do not follow her because she gave us a wrong number last time. We made it. We're gonna sit right here? Where do you want to sit at? Here? Down here? Let's sit right here. Oh, lizard. We gotta record it because we're just too excited to eat it. But look
It
at
looked
this.
cute earlier.
It was nice earlier, yes, I know. But we're gonna enjoy this. Sorry. They got one too. Whoa.
So then how was
labels. Beignets. Look at the fanny pack. Like the city. That's cool. $29.99. Got a Baymax shirt. Nice. So it's $34.99. What happened? Oh, those are new. Oh yeah. Yup. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, did you see the back?
Oh, nice. Kuno Matata. I like this one. This one's nice. What's over here? Nice. What is this one? This is $54.99.
We know.
Let me see. Oh, so cute. I like that one. It's nice.
Look at where you can put your water bottle at the parks. There's
Hint,
two of them.
hint.
There's two. That is super cute.
That is nice.
And the back.
Honey. That's cute. I like that one.
Just me, look.
Like this one.
Oh, that's new too.
I saw it. Look at the piglet.
That's nice. Marvel. Yeah, Star Wars bag. Some Lion King merch. $59.99. You guys like Crocs? Look at this. Crocs, $69. Look at this one. Walt Disney donuts. The Launch Fly donuts.
If you have it all day, they're gonna be super heavy.
Yeah, and for my head.
Didn't she have one that had donuts on it?
Yeah. She likes this one a little better, but this one.
Yeah, because it's more like shiny. I don't know.
Plastic.
Yeah. I like the bag. It's cute. No, you get the bag and then you can get the shirt to match with it. Right here. What? New ride. $79.99. Darth Vader helmet. Look at this. Take it apart, you can put it on. $139. Oh, look at this one, the Mandalorian. Nice. This is $59.99. And it's got joggers too.
And they got nice Pirates Caribbean.
Oh yeah. $34.99. It's nice style. Look at the shorts.
Nice.
Shorts to match. It's for you, babe.
The whole set.
Yup. Need to get it. Oh, it's a hoodie. Oh, a sweater. How much is this? See, they didn't even do more of this Pirates of the Caribbean stuff. $59.99. Oh yeah. Pirate at heart. Turn around. Nothing else? Oh, it's just the sleeves.
Yeah.
Yeah. This doesn't have anything in the back? Oh no, it's just plain. I like that. Yes. Shirt. Oh, they had a guy's shirt. Pirates of the Caribbean. How much is this one? $34.99. This one, a bottle of rum. I like that. This is $39.99. Nice. Show it, girl. Show it. That was nice. Home Sweet Castle. And then, whoa. Those are nice. You gonna buy them?
No, just saw them over there. I said David hasn't seen these yet. I'm trying
those
to
are
get
nice. They got Tinkerbell also. Look at this one. Yeah. Winnie the Pooh. Oh, that's cool. $29.99. Got a bag. This bag is $39.99. This one, long sleeves, at $39.99. I like this one. Pirates of the Caribbean.
What is that?
Well, they got the up one. It's nice too. Look at that. Corksicle. I like this. I'm taking my coffee.
I like the orange one.
$27.99. This is Kingdom. Hollywood Studios in pink. $44.99. And you got Animal Kingdom in green. And the gray one you got Epcot. Nice.
Get it now before the dinosaur section is gone.
Oh, yeah.
Because they're removing that. I actually like these.
Starbucks.
It is.
I love it.
Oh, this is not.
Thank you guys for joining us. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you like my fit that my daughter chose for me. My white shirt, my camouflage, and my new shoes. She did a great job. Yeah, we went to a Nike factory store. I bought a pair of shoes. My daughter also bought a pair of shoes. Some other nice shoes. You have to remember when you go to that store, sometimes what happens, the shoes that we post in the video, you might not have them anymore, but other Nike factory store outlets, other areas, they probably will have them. You just gotta keep shopping around. But yeah, thanks for joining us there, and also in Disney Springs. We had a good time in Disney Springs. We went shopping. We also went to Port Orleans to go get some beignets. It was so good with the ice cream. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for our Sarasota trip that we did recently. I'll be posting soon. You'll see this video first, and then you'll see the Sarasota videos. We were celebrating our 25th anniversary, so stay tuned for that. And then watch these other videos that we have posted here. Some are here, maybe over here. I don't know where it's gonna be at, but just take a look at them. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.